we are displaying this vehicle at the very iconic Beverly Center near the Hollywood area.
Yeah.
You ever been to the Beverly Center?
I have, but tell people, what is it? Like, what's
Well,
so
the
big
Beverly
about it?
Center is a shopping center, iconic, high-end clientele.
Yeah, very prestigious in that sense.
Very prestigious. Yeah. We're going to be displaying this car as well as another vehicle, the QX80, just to see if we get some business.
Yeah.
Get some, awareness to the brand.
Sure.
I think it looks really, really nice. But we're going to be driving through Hollywood.
Are you guys ready for iconic Hollywood hotspots?
Navigate to the Beverly Center.
All right, Beverly Center.
What about the Griffith Observatory? You've been to Griffith Observatory?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I haven't gone to any events there. Sometimes they do like special events where you can do stargazing and things like that.
What about the Greek Theater?
Greek Theater, I saw Bush this year there. You know who Bush is?
Of course I know who Bush is. The 90s.
Yeah. I only listen to 90s music. And so Mark...
You didn't grow up in the 90s.
I did. I'm 84.
Oh,
so 90s is prime time for me.
That's your gen. If you go up here, somewhere is the Frank Lloyd Wright home.
Oh, okay.
So you've probably seen this home in a lot of film, but it almost looks Aztec in nature. Anyways, that particular home is somewhere up there. I don't know exactly where.
But I will say, as iconic as Pink's is, and you can get it at Dodger Stadium now and all this stuff, some of the hot dogs are just so excessive, it's gross. How much crap can you put onto a hot dog?
True.
And it just becomes like this messy experience, which I'm sure fast forward we'll see Peter just covered in stuff.
Yeah, I don't know
soon.
about that. You ever seen any musicals?
So at the Pantages.
Or any music?
Yeah, but mainly the Pantages.
Yeah.
Last one I saw, it's been a few years too, was the Gloria Estefan musical. Rhythm is gonna get you, rhythm is gonna get you.
And it was actually Gloria Estefan?
No.
Oh, okay.
But it was awesome.
Was it?
It really was. It was like just full of like music and dancing.
Miami Flair.
Yeah, Miami Flair.
Okay.
It was fun. It was a good time.
Yes, so this is the eastern part of Hollywood Boulevard.
Yeah.
And it's, once again, it doesn't look very Hollywood-ish.
No.
No glitz and glamour
No.
over here. Okay, well, there's a Dolby Theater. That's where
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is more, once you get to Highland, it's a little bit safer, but it's a very small strip. You'll have like the El Capitan Theater, which is really iconic, really beautiful.
Yeah, here's the Dolby Theater right here.
Yep. Hard Rock Cafe's right here. But that's where you see, if you see on the videos of like the Spider-Mans and all the people dressed up.
Right here.
Yeah, it looks like they're setting up for a premiere actually. Maybe the Avatar premiere?
Avatar.
Yeah, so they're doing rocks and stuff.
Okay.
That's fun.
In December 19. Okay.
They must be having the premiere tonight.
Hard
Or
Rock
they're bringing
Cafe.
it down.
Okay. There's the Chinese Theater.
Yep. So they still do big movie premieres here and shut down the street.
Fog? Haze?
Haze?
Yeah.
Very low visibility, guys.
Yep.
So yeah. So one thing famous for me on Sunset, at least this part of it, is you get the huge guitar center.
Which still exists.
It's still here. It's still there, yeah.
I would imagine that guitar center is home to a number of people that are probably very famous.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Very famous.
Definitely worth stopping in, even if you're not into music things. Look at this hill.
So
as Peter almost hit that car.
When I was driving, this is the, like when you're driving a manual transmission.
Oh, that hill.
That hill.
We've all had you've had a problem with that hill?
That is the hill. Yeah. the first time on that hill was rough.
That's funny. I was gonna say that.
Yeah.
But you jumped it. That's awesome. I had my 2001 Corvette stick shift.
And you were on this hill.
On that hill. It was horrible. It was horrible. I was like, whoa.
I had to do the
e-brake. Yeah.
I had to do the e-brake.
The e-brake's nice if you can actually do that. It's like that's the way you're supposed to do it. But oh, that's a scary hill. Actually, one of the reasons why I sold the car was like, I don't want to deal with that hill anymore. It was that bad, man. It was that bad.
Wait, so that's 20 some years ago.
Well, I didn't have it 20 years ago. I had it 3 years ago.
Oh, right.
Right before I started working here, I had a Corvette. Good old Beverly Center.
The Beverly Center. Let's see, where's the fountains? Fountains. There's the fountain right there. Oh, they're loading in on right now. Damn.
All right, guys.
All right, here we are.
Peter, I don't know if we're gonna pick your mic up. You're a little far, so we'll get close. So what are we doing right now? What's happening with the QX80?
Well, so this is a display area. It's called the fountains. And so we need to get a car up there, and that's why they rigged this tow truck with a flatbed. Because, you know, you're not gonna get a car up there.
Hard to get it up there.
Yeah.
It's pretty
So
cool
now we're
idea.
gonna get ready. But yeah, this is a nice area. I think it displays really, really well.
They're putting on these blocks so the water goes under the car, so it looks like it's sitting on top of the water. But they're struggling a little, like you'll see right here, this passenger side, you know, is all, like the block right there is not under the tire, but that side is good. So it's gonna take just more effort for us to do that, or for them to do that.
Okay, go back a little bit. Go back. Go. Oh! That's it.
Perfect. No, this one, this one, perfect.
Go. Okay. A little more.
Okay.
There we go.
All right, guys, so in case you didn't know, what happened here is that INFINITI Corporate out of Tennessee reached out to Peter and said, hey, listen, for the holidays, we'd love to have our QX80 showcased at the Beverly Center, as you can see behind us. And Peter said, of course, we're gonna bring a QX60, they're gonna provide the QX80, and that's kind of how this all comes together in fruition. So now we're gonna move the QX60 to its place. Yeah, I'll plug you guys.
Thank you.
Marvin's Towing, they're the best. The best.
Can you center me right in the center of that oval up here? Oh, that is kind of cool.
Yeah. So what's happening?
They're checking because they said that previously the cars were like tucked on the wall, but you know, I think really the best position is right there, right underneath this nice little glow.
Yeah, it looks nice there.
Yeah. If you saw like the optics, if you saw it, it just looks like there should be a car there.
Yeah. I mean, I can call Brian.
This number, I can text you an image, right? Okay, great. I'm gonna take a picture right now. Okay. It seems like it wouldn't belong there, right?
Yeah, pushed on the side.
Pushed off to the side. I mean, this almost looks like it should be.
It's like designed for it.
It's designed for a
Yeah.
car. Okay, bye. Yeah, she said just move it up there and we're good. She just wanted enough space for the elevator, for people to get into the elevator, which I think, Vernon, I think that's plenty of space, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's plenty of space.
Let there be water. Yeah, it looks good. That's the right move for sure.
Oh yeah. 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 I see what you mean, yeah.
Now if you guys can see, the whole point of those little bricks they were trying to put on top of so that the water runs under it, and it looks like the car is floating on top of the fountain. They did a great job getting that on there.
Looks fantastic.
And I like how Peter's always a boss wherever he's at. He made it. These guys here were like, "Ah, you can't park it there." Blah blah blah. They're getting. Peter goes, "Please hold. My name is Peter Kim." Yeah. I need to move it here. Is that
Listen,
okay?
you gotta be able to
I'm
navigate.
not asking.
You gotta be able to navigate through life and just
Yeah,
try to, because I mean, if you look at the place,
It makes
honestly,
sense, yeah.
it makes sense. If you guys did come here to the Beverly Center, it makes sense
Where it should
on
go.
where the car is
Yeah,
at.
for sure.
But I really love this. When the fountains are on, it looks like the QX80 is gonna be floating on water. It's gonna be here for a month. Come check it out. Beautiful mall, beautiful people.
Yes.
Good shopping.
Yeah.
Lots of parking.
Yes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, comment.
And subscribe.
That's right.
And keep
Keep on infinity.
keep on infinitying. See you guys.